I'm not sure. Oreo, I'm not sure what you want of me. Fatty Cat, please, don't do it. Don't shoot me. Please, don't shoot me. For the last time, my name isn't Fatty Cat. I'm so calm right now because I think I have Down syndrome. So, what's it gonna be, Fatty Cat, Fatty Man? Sir, please, I'm just trying to make some business off of this. Please, Fatty Cat, don't do it. Don't do it, Fatty Cat. Look at that gun. Look. Oh, he was about to shoot me with that thing. You believe if you would shot me with that thing? You believe? You believe? If what you would do is shot me. You are under arrest for being Fatty Cat. I'm not sure if it's shoot again, so you're gonna have to chase me. I'm just gonna check this. Woo! Oh, you dead, Fat Cat? You dead? You dead? Now, tell me who your mother is. It's Spinny Cat. Boom, 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 boom. Who is your mother? Skinny Cat. Boom, 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 boom. Who is your mother? You already know. Remember at Christmas? You watched me be burned? Who is your mother? No, run away from me. I got the gun. I've done this before, Oreo. I'm not going to do it again. Do 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 do. Ow! Yeah! The end of Body Gods Adventures. Bye bye.